The fourth kind of conditional statement is either A or B. Now इस टाइप के कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट को अगर हम लोग एनालाइज करते हैं तो if the condition A is fulfilled implies B, this is only a logical possibility, not a necessity. ये जरूरी नहीं है, अगर A हो रहा है हो सकता है B हो सकता है नहीं भी हो. B अगर हो रहा है then A हो, this is again a logical possibility. But because this statement says either A or B, मतलब या तो A होगा या B होगा, that means अगर A नहीं हो रहा है तो B, A नहीं हो रहा है तो B होगा. This is a logical necessity and B अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो A होगा. This is again a logical necessity. तो this is another important kind of conditional statement which must be analyzed and you have to focus on either A or B. अगर A हो रहा है तो B हो, B होगा या नहीं होगा, this is only a logical possibility. B अगर हो रहा है तो A हुआ है, this is again a logical possibility, not necessity. And अगर B नहीं हो रहा है, that means because it says either A or B, B अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो A होगा, ये जरूरी हो जाता है क्योंकि दोनों में से किसी एक को होना जरूरी है. दोनों साथ में हो सकते हैं बट दोनों में से किसी एक का होना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड अगर A नहीं हो रहा है, not A implies B, this is again a logical necessity. So these are the four kinds of conditional statements that we have discussed, and these are the four kinds of conditional statements which are important with respect to your examination at the same time. So this from until now we have discussed two important things: syllogisms, the kind of categorical propositions in syllogisms, and then we have also discussed about conditionals and conditional statements and how the conditional statement is abiding by the logical rules in case of logical necessity or logical possibility. Next thing that we are going to study, as I have already mentioned earlier, is categorical proposition. So guys, study, analyze, and next we are going to discuss about categorical propositions. We are going to discuss about critical reasoning.